We are early tonight. Pretty early. Happy Halloween. Hope everybody had a fun holiday. I got some editing work done. Then eventually my wife and I went to my folks' place. And it was a really fun time. My little 2-year-old niece dressed up. It wasn't like a costume, but they put her in one of her pretty dresses, and she had one of my sister's necklaces on it, and she was just like I thought it was basically like a princess outfit, but she was really cute. We had chili. We watched or some people carved pumpkins. I didn't, but some people did. And then we watched, hold on a second. Just making sure everything is cool. I heard my wife moving around. She might just be going to the restroom. Hold. I think we're okay. But yeah. Then after the pumpkins, we watched the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown cartoon, as well as the Halloween Garfield cartoon. Those are two traditions that we do in my family, which is pretty fun. So it was just a really good time with the family. But tonight, we are moving on from the Socket 1 exercise. We are moving to the URLLIB exercise. Oh, shoot. This is like super short. Just let it kind of, let the intro go. There we go.
Everybody, we are going to be talking about some code. If you want to download all the code, it's right here.
Oh, right. We're not going to do that. What we are going to do is make a new exercise 19. And we'll continue.
It's all single big zip file. And you have all this sample code.
That's it.
What I'm going to talk about is URLLIB1.py. It is not very exciting. It's short. That's what's kind of nice about Python code. And it's really, if we go and take a look at the code we played with just previously, which is Socket, the idea here is URLLIB is something that Python has produced for us to make Socket communications and HTTP communications a lot better. So Socket, this is making Socket calls underneath it, but there's a library that makes this quite simple. And so we have to do some imports. So instead of importing Socket, we'll import these URLs. We are going to create a handle, URL request URL open, and just pass in a string. So we're not encoding this, we're not sending get command. All the stuff we did in the previous Sockets example is gone. And then we can just put this as a for loop. And so we're not using this lower level read and write code, we're just using a for loop. And so that literally is going to read the text line by line. And the line does come back as an array of bytes, so we have to do a decode, but then we got a string. And
Interesting. So you do have to decode it. You don't have to encode it, but you do have to decode it.
then we can do a strip on it. So this is like a super simple super simple. So there we go. Now the interesting thing is you also don't see the headers. We just read the contents. Now it turns out in URLLIB, and we'll see this in later more complex application, you can get the headers if you want. You can get various other things. So that's URLLIB, a simple URLLIB tool. Now we can also use this in URL words to show you something quite interesting, and that is, if you look at this from right here, other than the decode, this is exactly the code we wrote to compute the words.
What do you mean?
Right? So line, other than this line.decode, this is just a open something up. In this case, we're going to open a URL. We're going to create a dictionary. We're going to loop through each of the lines in that thing.
Then it counts it?
We're going to decode them and then split them. So once you do line.decode, this is now a legitimate internal Python string. We split it, we run through the words and internal Pythons in that thing. We're going to decode them and then split them. So once you do line.decode, this is now a legitimate internal Python string. We split it, we run through the words and run the counts. And so this is exactly like code that we did run through the words and run the counts. And so this is exactly like code that we did before to run counts. And so Python 3
we'll do that too.
URL words. And so that gives us a dictionary, which is the word frequency. And we could do all kinds of crazy stuff in here, you know, with sorting and all the kinds of things. The important thing is once you've done this and this, the code, other than the need to decode these lines when you first get them, it really works just like makes a URLLIB makes URLs function inside Python very much like files. So these are short and to the point and very simple, and I hope that they were useful to you.
Already, I like this more than what we were doing. Already. And I haven't even written anything down. I mean, come on. Look at this. Like you give the length of the date. Come on. Don't have to close it. Bro. Why would you not use? Here's my question. And I'll never know this until we get into some other language, which won't be too long. I mean, okay. It might be a little bit. Why would we, excuse me, why would we ever use this and not just URLLIB? My goodness, excuse me. Like really, like what will this sort of thing transfer to some other C#? You know what I mean? C++? Like, I don't know. Because it just seems that this is just hands down easier. You don't need to worry about AFINet. I mean, come on. So let's just do this. You know what I mean? Import. Okay, let's just kind of try and soak this in as we're doing this. So, import URLLIB.request. So you're like importing the URLLIB and then requesting. Like you have a request for URLLIB.parse. That is something to remember here. Parsing it. I need to turn my heater on. It's cold now. I think I said this yesterday too. URL. Okay, that part I don't understand, but that's fine. That's fine. URLLIB.error. I don't know why that's necessary, but anyway. fhand equals URLLIB So that's going to be, let me just type it out here real quick. Request. URL open. So that's the same as this, right? Module. Simplest way to use this module is to call the URL open function, which is what we're doing, which accepts a string containing a URL or a request object described below. It opens the URL and returns the results as file-like object. The returned object has some extra methods described below. Wow, this is a lot of data. Oh my word, it's a lot of data. I like how it has it though. Okay, so URLLIB .request URL open. Then the actual URL, which I'm not going to try to memorize. For line and F and print dot strip. Okay, that's a little interesting too. So line iterates through ref hand, which just has all the data from the URL. Iterates through and then print the iterated stuff. It decodes it, strips it. Okay. We're clear. We're clear. Clear that. And 19. That's so easy, bro. I wonder what stripping does. Let's try something. We won't strip it. Oh. So it just leaves in the white spaces. Or the new lines, excuse me. So that's why we strip. And decode wouldn't even work. Would it? Because it would be bytes? Question mark? What? What's this? B? Still stripped it. I mean, yeah, that's fine. I don't get the B. Bytes. That has to be what it is, bro. What does that mean? I wish I could, like, hone in on what that means. Can I run this? No way. Wait, so can I run this? Even though... So only things that have to do with files I can't run in here? Yo. That's dope. Okay. So let's put the code back in the and then. Okay. That's awesome. Where are we? Here we go. Okay, so we're importing the lib request parser. F and URL. Yeah, that request. Open, that's all the same. What do you think? Wow, I'm just yawning. Forgive me. Need to make a dictionary. That's easy, I can do that. I'll be able to remember that. And then the for line in F and. Okay, so basically this is accomplished in that line. Words equals line.decode dot split. See, it's like, yeah, the exact same. But then it iterates again for word and words. And then does the count. Counts. Word. So word iterates through words, then counts. I think the word, like the actual COUNT counts word, is arbitrary. I think it can be anything, if I'm not mistaken. Counts dot get. Okay, so this is where it's like, yeah, get me the count for the word. And if not, if you go to don't see anything, if you don't find anything, set to 0. And in any case, add 1 to it. Then parent, except for this time, it's just counts. It's just counts. Man, this feels so much better than that shenaniganry. We can just stick it and run this in here, eh? Wow. Let's make it here, though. But one, soft one. So let's try something here. Will this work? Nope. Oops. Nope. I'm trying to do like the top 5. I can't remember how to do that. Let's pandas data frame, I don't even know what that is. I'm looking for something that looks familiar. I don't know what pandas are. I really don't know what pandas are. Sort. I think that's the key. I forgot about that. Dot sort. Is that a thing? Oh my gosh. What about sort dot counts? No. What about sorted counts equals counts dot sorted. Print sorted counts. Is it still counts? Oops. This is my work. No, I think that's just it's the first ones. Oh, here we go. So that, we're counting that, right? For I and high. Okay. I mean, let's try and maybe mess with this a little bit. I know I'm like making it more complicated for myself. So we got a dictionary. We got the counter. We need this here for the count because we're like, that's already, we don't have that yet. K equals counter counts. Hope I'm doing this right. High equals. This most common thing is weird to me. First of all, does that work? Counter? It's not. Oh, I have to import it? Oh. Oh, this could work too. This could work too. Let's try this. This is using sort. Got the dictionary. Whoa. Does this need to be indented? I'm scared. No. Okay, good. Okay, so first we're gonna go print initial dictionary. Dictionary. And then /n print dictionary with 3 highest values. Print keys values. Print. Okay. I mean, I don't know. Let's just try x equals list my values. We'll just try d equals dictionary. I don't know. I'm going off the rails here, folks. Okay, this is x equals x up to 3. Except for now. For yeah, because this needs to deter. This needs to be in. So it counts it all And then for I and X. Interesting. And counts, because that's our dictionary, counts dot keys. Oh my word, there's no way this is gonna work. If counts J is I, and then we're gonna print. Bro, there's no way. There is no way. This is gonna blow up, and I won't know what the heck. A plus? Is that a regular expression? Bro, don't tell me that's a regular expression. Don't tell me that's a regular expression. Your boy, another one, bro? I don't... If this doesn't work, I'm giving up. Oh, this counts. Might be. J. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold your breath. Hold on, clear. Okay, initial dictionary traceback, most recent call last. In 7? Wait, that's your problem? Oh, it counts, might be. $12 now? Okay, we're working it through. Sorry. Whoa. Wait, okay, no. Should it be... like way indented? I didn't get a trace back. There's something to be said for that. See, because it says print initial dictionary, print. Right now there's nothing in there, dude. I'm an idiot. There's nothing in there. So I don't even... That too. All that. Not even is D. It's not even used. Count stop values. What if we... So that's what is necessary. $16. Okay, that's fine. for I and X. Why'd it print that? Oh, that's just the error. What now? Whoa. Is the and. I forget what def means. Bro. Come on. Hold on. We're trying one more thing. We're trying this miss right here. Okay. Back it up, Terry. Before I started to mess with all this. Wait. We're good, yeah? Beautiful. Okay. So we got a dictionary. This is the dictionary. It's the dictionary. Wait, whoa. Okay, so there we go. That's what we need. Now we got the counted dictionary. I hope this works, bro. Result equals. This is where everything happens. Counts. Sorted. Wait. Do we need to do this? I think so. Counts.items. Forgot about items. And then key equals lambda. Not sure why I need to do that. Not sure what the X is for. Not sure what that other X is for, but I'm just kind of going with it. 1. I have a feeling this is going to work. Reverse equals true. And then up to 3. Wait. There's a... What is that for? Why is that there? That's not needed. 1. Did I miss something? What's going on? Oh well, screw it. Print result. Dude, that's so simple. I mean, it's not, but it is. Yeah. What the heck, man? 10? So what's the deal? It's right here. What if we just left that? What if we left that off for now? So it just sorted it. Didn't sort it. Looking for sorting. Sorting.
So now we can take advantage of the notion of comparing tuples and use sorting. And so what we're going to produce a dictionary first, like we did before.
Okay. So let's try this. We'll just do D. No. Dot items. And then we got sorted. Dot items. Print sorted. Print items. Print counts. I didn't sort it.
For A, B, and C deterministically every single time it's going to go. And of course, the value is going to go through the corresponding values. So now we can print this out nicely, sorted by key. And that's a real nice, and so.
Values, this is what we want. Okay, so we got the dictionary there. List. Oh my gosh, bro. Okay. We need to append the list into the dictionary. for kv in counts.items. Okay. tmp.append. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Then we need to print tmp. Does this work, first of all? Son of a gun, it does. Okay. Then tmp sorted tmp reverse equals true. Print sorted tmp. Where? Line 1? What? Control Z. Wait, so that worked? Maybe I just did something wrong. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's working. That's it, that's it, that's it. Okay. Now I just need to do the top 5. I feel like it's right here as well. Okay, so that's appended. Reverse true. We're just gonna throw it in, dude. Throw it in.
Trace back.
Okay, well, that wasn't right. What if we did this? Then we'll get that there. Whoops. And then boom, 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 boom. That feels okay. I don't know what the lambda means. This is complicated, bro. Wait, let's maybe we can break it down, you know what I mean? Break it down. Okay. We'll just use x equals up to 3. Whoops. 3. Print x call me crazy. Nope. Wait, yes. Oh my word, it worked. Oh my word, it worked. Let's look through here briefly. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it worked. Bro, that feels so good, man. That feels so good. Come on, man. We haven't done this in a while. Haven't used this in a while. Like, I haven't not used this. I haven't done something like this. Sorry, I just changed the background that this was. I bought for my gaming live stream. And yeah. So I just switched it over to this one. But wow. It's been a while since we've problem solved something like this. That feels good. That feels good. Nice. All right. Well, that is going to do it for today. On that good note, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have a prayer request, please put it in the comments below. I would love to know how I can be praying for you guys. I will be back tomorrow. Again, I hope you guys had a good Halloween, but love God, love people, and I'll see you guys soon.